you all know the story of baby testimony. We are looking for that baby now. And you will be seeing more of me when it comes to the baby. We have to talk about it initially. So let us go there. Let's go there. If I was part of Ruth Matthew team, and I was privileged to work with Chioma Johnson, that called herself Doris Ogala. So I understand everything I say about Doris Ogala. She knows I know her too well. Doris said something on day before yesterday's show that she did. I call it damage control. What they did on that show was a pure damage control. And reason why I call it damage control, with time I'll bring it. And I listened to another one they did yesterday. You see, I don't want it to look as if blogger is going to attack blogger. No, I won't do it. Those of you that knows me very well, I don't attack anybody. Even if you are abusing me, I don't answer. I don't miss my target. When I'm on a mission, forget any side attraction. I know they see her. So it is not going to be blogger against blogger, never. I don't have any grudges against anybody. Unfortunately, yesterday I had to say out what I have bottled up for years. And why do I have to respond? Because of the same Ruth Matthew case. Because of the same Ruth Matthew case, that was why I was able to tell everybody. And I am not out to fight anyone. As the Lord liveth, she has apologized and I've forgiven her, and that is over. I have nothing against her. And heaven knows I have nothing against her. But my concern was the damage control that Maxis and Doris did. You know, Doris was crying with emotional blackmail yesterday. Doris said something. Doris said, these people, this is what they did to me. This is what they did to Halima Abubakar, Doris, Stephanie Otobo. That is emotional blackmail. That is a typical example of a criminal, an actress. She's a Nollywood actress, failed Nollywood actress. So automatically, she's trying to you see, Doris. Thank you very much. I'll put this one. Trying to blackmail Ruth is unfair on any women. It's unfair. Either we like it or not. Is this baby still missing or not? And Dada and Doris, they decided to use that platform to send the wrong signal. I didn't want to come out. I said I'm not going to do social media thing about baby testimony. If maybe a child was actually missing, that would be like it or not. And I made up my mind that no, I am not going to do social media thing. Immediately Doris came out. He gave us the real truth. Madam, I said no. I said no, it is no more social media thing. It is the real thing. Somebody somewhere must pay dearly for this. Doris cannot come on her cyberspace after what she did behind closed door. Come on her cyberspace and begin to throw, and you are looking for sympathy. I want people to get one thing. Doris was begging everybody to support her on that show, was trying to cry, acting. She was trying to say, yes, we should remember Halima Abubakar, Stephanie Otobo. Those two ladies that she mentioned their name. Those two ladies, they did not blackmail anybody. They are not double agents. Nigerians, let us wake up. Those two ladies, they are not agents. They are not working for anybody. They say what happened to them. That was what they narrate to everybody. Doris Ogala is an informant. And she admitted today, said it pays and it's a big money. Say, said yes, he's a confirmed informant. A lot of people don't know that Doris is a first-class criminal. Ask Doris, what does Doris do for a living? For those of you that don't know who is Doris, Doris happens to tell us that he met Pastor Chris in police headquarters. How is Doris? Doris said he's the one supplying him with DSS, with police, and everything. See, I know what she did behind closed door. And now when she came out, it has more meaning. And I'm going to explain to her. But because she decided to call me today, threatening me, yesterday I came out and I told you, I said, this is a damage control. We all know how they roll. We know how they do this on this cyberspace. We are all mothers, we are all parents. A child was actually missing. Yes, Ruth has her shortcomings. And now, hey, who gave me this lovely cap? Thank you. Ruth has her shortcomings. It's not too bad. You see, what that lady is passing through, I pray none of us pass through it. Some of us who are able, I am like the other lady said that she's not want to pity anybody. That's her own prerogative. But me, I have my reasons. Why do I pick up this case? Doris is because I know the genesis of it. Why do I pick up this case? Because I want everybody, including your prophets, including Ruth Matthew and the general public. Doris, I exposed you under 4 days. I met you for, you said, and the other lady said, hey, I respect you now, TikTok. Hey, I love you guys. When I don't reach 8,000, we are going to 10. You remember how did I met you, Doris? You said the money and the assignments you did is not about baby testimony. That is a lie. How did I met you? I got to have contact with you through Ruth Matthew and her son. Do you realize it's not about profess? It's not about anything. They introduced you to me through profess because of Ruth Matthew and baby testimony. And you remember what you did? Do you remember how we started the case? What you told us? You said this one should go and meet area commander. The man's name, the Benin Zone 5 man, all the police officers, their voice notes, their name. I will play them. Since your head is not correct. So, for those of you who can't listen, this morning after yesterday I did my own and I went to bed. And to my greatest, can you please help me like and share? YouTube help me to share. But my greatest surprise, Doris called me with 2 numbers today. And this is our conversation. This is our conversation because you know me. And this is our conversation. So I want you to listen.
Who is this? Who is this? You no go better for you, Doris. Who should shut up? You no go better for you. God punish you. How dare you call me with another person? You no go better for you if you no bring.
Did you hear what she said? She said, I get your voice. Where you say you love profess. You see, Doris, you be more. You see, I am Maureen Badejo for a reason. My name is Maureen Badejo. If I can spot I can expose you under 4 days. Nigerian, let me explain something to this idiot, this stupid woman, this stupid girl. Let me call her girl. I won't call her woman. That call herself Doris Ogala. Doris Ogala. How did I met Doris Ogala? Doris Ogala was part of the people that put Ruth Matthew in that police station. They did not arrest Ruth Matthew. Ruth Matthew was kidnapped and kept somewhere. If not for Bisola. So if anybody is in police station in Nigeria, they will know where they are now. How come Ruth Matthew, when Bisola was looking for her up and down, they could not locate her? It was only Doris Ogala that were able to locate her. I want all of them make una dey hold am o. You say what?
I thought you are a mad lady. You are going down.
This is my conversation. Doris Ogala called me this morning. Continue. The audio is oh, you cannot hear it.
Who is this? Who is this?
You
E no go better for you, Doris. You should shut up. E no go better for you. God punish you. How dare you call me with another person? E no go better for you if you no bring her at all. You are a mad lady. You are going down.
say you can't hear it. Can you hear that voice note? I thought it's audible enough. If it is not, play from my phone. Papa TV. Oh, I'm breaking. Okay, let me try and play it from another place. Because I want everybody to hear. You see, Doris thinks she is a manipulator, but unluckily for her, I know who she is. Others might not know. I na spot on I did. For those of you who don't know what actually happened, this morning Doris just called me. Doris knows that I know. He knows that I know the whole thing in my hand. She's a stupid woman. I say, he says, informant that's why he said informant, not be bad thing. Say they are paid well. That you don't know, hope you don't know. Say I say I love my own money. But at least I did not get your a child was missing and decided to be a spoiler and want any right to give message to help you. Abba. Those of you now don't know what we do behind closed doors, now there. Oh, TikTok, I swallow. Now, not too much, I don't reach where I want it. Oh, yeah, I better get me share. My God, where is this thing? No. I want you people to hear, and you will now hear her own voice notes and what she thought she's dealing with a fool like her. You can go to some people who don't get brain, maybe they twist their brain. I know they are hungry. I know they among them. Doris, I know they among them. Anything where you talk, wetin you bring, I will give you full one. Who is this? Can you hear this? It no go better for you, Doris. You should shut up. It no go better for you. God punish you. How dare you come in with another person? It no go better for you. You don't bring that because you are a mad lady. You are going down. Yes, she called me. First of all, she called me and I was like, who is it? Because I only have her fake account. Her American number, which is fake one. The one she used. Well, and I said, oh, you can hear. Yes, Georgia, can fine. And to my greater surprise, she was bitter because of the show, because I didn't support her lives. And I didn't show solidarity of nonsense, whereby she would come on my platform and come and do damage control. Immediately I saw that thing, I made up my mind that Doris, you are going to pay for this. You cannot just come online and throw that thing and feel all of us as stupid. No. So I decided to allow her to do all her, to finish all her acting online. And I contacted all the people I needed to contact that Doris Ogala must pay for this. She's going to pay for this because I knew what she did behind closed door. Doris Ogala is the masterminder of Root. The arrest. Those of you that don't know, that arrest. Now Doris Ogala started it. They know. But unfortunately for us, we didn't know. She told us that na double agent she be. She pretend as if she's helping Root. At the same time, she's working for Jeremiah and is doing as if she's helping Root. So for those of you that understand very well, that is the work of a double agent. Let's get there. At that time, Doris Ogala, she's trying to gain my interest. She covered her face. She did a naked video with me. And you know me, I'm not hiding this. I know how I do my thing. I did record. Not knowing that she was equally recording. I mean, you know me, I didn't know I thought initially when I met her, I thought she's a philanthropist. But immediately, somebody that said she doesn't know anything about this thing. But the only thing that she doesn't know anything about is not about baby testimony. Can you let me ask Doris? When she came into the picture, she took control of the whole thing. She controlled everybody, including myself. Prof S, Bisola, bankroll everybody. Except that I told them from the word that I don't want money. That will only let them my voice. That's the only thing that God saved me. They came to set me up. Herself and Prophet, they tried to set me up. You see, when your hands are clean, nothing will come out of it. When I now find out that after 4 days, I saw all the cause confusion between me and Bisola, Doris Ogala, there's something I didn't add. I need to let you know that you're a very stupid woman. Because I had an agreement with Bisola. Bisola, because she told me I don't want to talk to Bisola. You are the only one I trust. So that caused confusion between me and Bisola. Bisola felt she was the one on ground doing you work? How come this big woman can't talk to her? She doesn't want to talk to me, so that she was talking to me. She was talking to me, and she was giving me an instruction to give to Bisola. So, and I told Bisola, now beg Bisola, I said to Bisola, please let's do something, because she said to get her own lawyer, she do her own thing. I said let's work from one point. Don't let him look at it that your own professor is doing his own. It's not going to be good. All these parts of it will be making jest of us. Let's shoot for one spot. I pleaded, I said, but you still meet her now. Maybe you are the one that will take this lady to Abuja. When you get to Abuja, don't give this lady to anybody. I don't want trouble. Hand it over to the same Doris of the that Choma just said, okay. Me, I thought Bisola handed over route to Chioma Johnson. Unfortunately, because she bought ticket for Bisola, she tweaked Bisola's head. Instead of Bisola to hand over route Matu to Chioma Johnson, they hand over Bisola route Matu to baby driver, not knowing that Doris Ogala was hiding somewhere. Don't you allow you say route lie, route did not lie. You drove route, you went to go and pick it from the airport with a jeep, with a driver, with a police officer. Those police have to hang card because the motor is too high, it's a high jeep. I'm telling you because you are stupid. But it's just as doing this other follow instruction the way we planned it, they forecast, but they didn't. But eventually, when I realized how you were manipulating everybody, I did my own investigation. And I came out to tell the whole world that this is not Chioma Johnson. It's not philanthropist. She's not that big Nigerian woman that is trying to help. This is Doris Ogala that caused trouble. And you know, she pretends to be rich and she's trying and she bankrolled everybody. And she displayed that money. She showed proof the money. So Doris Ogala, I will show you the ticket that you bought. You know, you bought business class for Bisola and Rufmati. I have it all. So you see, this thing is not about baby testimony. So why are you doing all that? Why are you spending all those money? I want all of you now today to think somebody that do damage for you that said no. And somebody is saying that after all, this baby was missing since 2019. Yes. But what did Chioma Johnson did? So immediately I told the whole world that this is not businesswoman, this is Chioma Johnson. You see, as of the time I told everybody, Prophet himself doesn't know who is Doris Ogala. Because Doris was trying another thing with Prophet. That was when Prophet became he was like, will it be true? So at the end of the day, you know, they came out with Prophets. You know, Doris Ogala with Prophets, they came out, they said it's not Doris Ogala. How many of you remember? How many of you remember that they came out? I have all those videos. Doris Ogala, Ruth Matthew, Prophet, they came out, they said it's not Doris Ogala. Abel, I'm asking everybody, let me see. Sylvia, you said I do. God bless you. Lolo said I do. Yes. You remember Chief Franklin, God bless. They came out to do damage control. They said that Maureen, she is a liar. Just to discredit. That was when this stupid woman came up with this story of when I was discussing with her, I said that I don't profess. I said, me, I did sleep. How? Instead of them to play the voice notes, they started saying, Maureen, she's looking for content. She's this. And before you know what happened, that was when they now told Ruth to do video. She did a video, she insulted me. That she doesn't want me to do any of her story. That she removed my hand from her case. She abused me well. That is hand one of Doris Ogala. But that is not where I'm going to. I didn't say so, and I challenge you, Doris Ogala, bring it out. My people, I left them. Unfortunately for this stupid Doris Ogala, that don't know her left from her right, she came to me. Doris Ogala came to me sometimes around 26th of August 2022. After they've done everything, the people have now known that she's Doris Ogala, some are doubting. You know how prophets got to know? Because you know Joshua, you know Matthew has a brother, Joshua, that went to that hotel with them. He has to tell them who he, because me, I've already posted. I already put Doris Ogala picture out there. I posted it already. So it's easier. It's easier for who is this Ruth Daniel Ogala? Who is this? Who is Daniel Ogala?
It's not Daniel Ogala. I've been with you all this while.
Okay, please mute your.
I've been following you.
Okay, mute yourself, man. Mute yourself. Can you please mute yourself? Susie, you're welcome to the platform. Please mute yourself. Immediately,
Okay.
Doris Ogala, prophets had to go and ask Joshua. You know, already I posted Doris Ogala's picture already. I put everything online. So, and you see, assuming Ruth is already with Doris Ogala already inside Transcorp. So there is no two ways about it. That was how prophets got to know that indeed this woman Doris Ogala. So you know, both of them, they want to run streets, criminal, damn criminal. So let's leave it at that. That is how they came up with narrative. So after that one, me, I left them. I came out, I told no one that these people are not looking for any childhood. They are all liars, including Ruth, including Doris Ogala, prophets, and all of them. And I removed my hand and I hands off. You all remember where, you know, now I now understand why. You know, at that particular time we don't know that Doris Ogala and double agent. You know, so we don't know. In August, you remember when she came back to come and apologize to Maureen, apologize to everyone. How many people remember when he went to Chidi's platform on YouTube? My people, you remember when Doris Ogala went to Mr. Chidi platform on YouTube, begin to do a show, begin to do like looking, crying, and doing all sorts of things. I know some of you will remember this thing. You remember, God bless you. Other grace, Doris Ogala is here to inform Nigeria who was bankrolling her on Ruth case. This is what the kind of question we should ask, not all these things she's talking about. So, and she came to me. She came to me first before she went to Dr. Chidi. The stupid woman make her play waiting talk. This was our conversation. Please, you are messing with the wrong person. My head correct. Oh yeah, I beg. Say when I don't see, I make I read down for now. Did you see the day 26 August 2022? Those of you on YouTube, you should see it. Those of you on YouTube, did you see it? This was our conversation. She thought she's smart. She want to use me to go and fight Prof S. She brought out a lot of evidence, what they planned between, what all the way they are trying to set me up, everything they did, and I started laughing. She now said, "Now, Maureen, this is time to return your YouTube. This is time to fight Prof S. Let's do it. You will do influencer. You will make money. You will do all this." I started laughing. I play along with her. I got all the information. I declined. I did not do it. I only posted J Israel. Conversation between J Israel and Professor. Because J Israel came to meet me inside inbox to say he wants to help me. That I'm looking for information about Professor. I said, "You are very stupid. I'm not looking for any information about him. If I'm ready to dig about him, I know how to get my information." And he went back to Professor to say, Maureen came to me. So when she told me everything, I brought out everything. But what do I want to say? This is our conversation. This is myself and Doris Ogala. You can see her name is Chioma Johnson. This is 26th of August 2022. He said that was when we were discussing about what Bisola told you. The fair Bisola told me, because Bisola told me that Ruth was in love with Prof S. And what caused this? You know Moses? Moses is from Igara. Moses is trying to be funny, but I won't say that. I won't say that. I will respect that. So, but saying you were in love with Prof S was a cook-up story. I will still play voice notes when I hear her. The same person that called me today. You say when I will have a recording. When he talk about Oruko, you say Apoloro. When that one fire her, she came out to apologize to the same Doris Ogala. Anybody that say anything that does not support her, she will come out and attack that person. She's a stupid girl. I am a wrong candidate. But saying you were in love with Prof S was a cook-up story. Nigerians say Onasian, and I have apologized to that. The same thing she told me in 2022 that it was a cook-up story. Now she came back this morning. maybe she dey craze. She said, I'll show you another spawn. I wronged you, and I will always be sorry